Hi there, here we go again with one more update for AI. Basically, we integrated OpenRouter to the Divhunt, and what that means, you can connect over 400 models in the Divhunt and you can pick a right model for your job. So for example, if you are working with the design, currently creating sections and pages, you might use Claude, or you can use something less popular but very good. It's a GLM model, for example. We'll test it in this video. Then if you are working with CMS, you can find a model that is great with data for writing blogs and so on. So idea is you register to the OpenRouter, you are paying your tokens to OpenRouter, you just to connect it to the Divhunt. So you are not paying to the Divhunt anything for the AI, you are paying all the usage to the OpenRouter. So basically we don't charge you a dime. Okay, let's see how we can connect it and how we can use it. So first, let's go to the OpenRouter. Let's go to our account, workspaces. Then on top left, we have API keys. Let's create an API key. Let's call it a Divhunt. I will set a limit of $10, for example. I will set limit to reset monthly, and expiration doesn't matter. Let's do 1 hour. Create. Now I get my API key. Let's use it on the Divhunt and let's see how we can connect it. So let's go here to the AI. On top right, we have bring your own key here. And all the way down, we have this OpenRouter. I already have some API key configured, but I will remove it and I will connect from scratch. So let's go here, paste my API, connect. And now after I connected my API key, I will see this button configure models. So by default, we put like 40 models, most popular, so you can use, but obviously you can find any model you like on OpenRouter and select and use whatever you like. So I will unselect all and I want to use and try this GLM 5.1. I heard that it's really good. And I can use, for example, Opus 4.6, and let's do something from Gemini. Let's do this one. Okay, save selection. Now if I go to my builder and click on any AI feature, we will see here OpenRouter, and I have 3 models that I just selected. So what I'm going to do now, let's go here to the pages. I have empty page about us and I want here to create something. So let's test that GLM model. Select here section. For the AI features, we have a full video on our channel. You can watch. It's 40 minutes. We explained everything about AI. I will here just cover the basics and how you can use OpenRouter. So I'll click here, type simple like create hero section for about us page. I will let AI decide everything. I will just set a reference to be a home page. I will set components to use only main button and secondary button. And that's it. For the classes, he can use whatever he wants. Let's click generate and let's see what AI will generate. And why am I trying this model? It's because GLM model has the best benchmarks for the design. Fable 5 that was banned, unfortunately it was pretty good, had the best ratings for the design. Next one is this GLM model, so it is a first try for me to try it, so let's see. So this is a simple section, so pretty good. It reused my styles from the website, so let's click use section, and nice. I will actually tell him to generate a full page with few sections, and let's see how that goes. Generate the rest of the about us page, be creative. Not the best prompt you could give to the AI, but let's see. Let's generate. Okay, here it is what it created. So basically here on the right side we have 6 sections. One failed. I can recreate it later, but I will not waste any more of your time. So we'll just use these 5 sections. So our story section, pretty good. It is using this nice image here and like a timeline. Then we have core values. Here I don't like it tried to reuse the color from my template, but I don't like it. I will just put later black text here as a title. Other than that, it's good. Here, mid theme, nice section with hover effects. When we put our own images here, it will be great. Then we have work with us. Also, this goes, we can change the gradient later, so it looks better on the white background. or I can just put text to be black, and it created this button to be too big, and here as well. But I can fix that easily in the builder, and I will show you now how. Let's go click use all sections. We get all the items here, and now I can, in the builder, fix whatever I don't like. For example, I don't like this gradient here. I can just remove a class, and I fixed my section. I can do the same for the buttons, but I will not go into that. And of course, all this is responsive. Let's go here, click mobile, and you will see that everything that AI created is responsive, and it's ready to be used on the live website, and even added animations. So if I refresh on some places, it added animations such as this one and this one. Pretty good. Okay. Lastly, let me show you how it works with CMS. I will just create a simple collection. I will not go into details. I will not create forms and so on. You can try out the AI. And as I said, I already created a full video explaining every AI feature. So now I am just testing this OpenRouter connection. So let's go to the CMS here. Let's create a collection, describe to AI what we want, and now we can use, for example, Google Gemini, and I will tell him, create me blog with categories. Okay, and here you go. We have a collection, all the fields are here. We have some of the dummy items, and that's it. That's it for this video. Hopefully you like it, you will try it out. And let me remember you that currently until 1st of July, we have lifetime deals on our website. So now is a chance to buy a lifetime until 1st of July, and we have a additional discount on agency plans. You can find all that on our website. And yes, that would be it. Hopefully you like it, and I can't wait to hear your opinion down in the comments.